Hey guys, it's Paul. I've put together on Happy Me a quick page where I'll put all cancellations together. happyme.com/cancel. I get a lot of people coming to like stuff like this, how to review your prepaid PayPal settings to see what you've already been paid. Nothing worse than your email in the morning saying you've just paid somebody on PayPal that you didn't even realise you'd set up a subscription with. If you hit this button, it'll take you to your pre-approved PayPal payments. The same like this, if you want to cancel you want to deactivate your Twitter account, there's a link there. A lot of harder ones, delete your Instagram account, you can delete. You get 30 days, be careful, you get 30 days. It will delete it straight away, but you'll get 30 days after that before everything's completely wiped. So you may want to think about deactivating. So there's a button there to deactivate. I think it takes you to your Facebook, yeah. And you can decide which one of your Facebooks or your Instagram you want to deactivate. Same for Netflix. I'm not going to click on it. It'll show some of my settings. But if you want to, you think I need to cancel. I don't blame platforms for making it 2 or 3 clicks to get out of. I've been getting. I didn't realise I was paying £9 a month on my business account for Prime and on my own account for Prime. So if you do click the Prime, you can click here. Now this might not work. Oh, here we go. Paul 899 finishes here. I just started seeing it coming out, me charging my account. So that's how to click to cancel your Prime. Let me know if this USA one doesn't work. The URL I would expect to be the same. But if it doesn't work, let me know what you think the URL is. Same with LinkedIn, same with Twitter, same with Instagram. Just quick ways to get to a cancellation page if you ever need it. So it's either happyme.com or happy-me.com/cancel, or you can go to pnuk.com/cancel. I hope this helps. If there's other things that you like to turn off and on, if you want to take a break from social media, you want to take a break off Facebook or anything like that, if there's other platforms where you can never find the button to deactivate for a while, let me know and I will add it. Or any platform that you get, random subscriptions that you need to make sure you've cleared out before you get surprises in the emails. Let me know. Any comments, leave them below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Paul out.